Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, math history buff. Valvo. And sadly for my work biceps, today we're talking about a topic where size doesn't matter. Similar figures. Puns ahead, let's get going. Similar figures are, well, figures that are similar. And we call two figures similar if they have the same shape, but importantly, maybe not the same size. We use this squiggly symbol to indicate when two figures are similar. So for example, this stick figure is similar to this stick figure, since they have the exact same shape but different sizes. Now let's get serious for a second and look at triangles. This triangle is similar to this triangle, since they have the exact same shape, but this one's just a bit bigger. Notice that the corresponding angles on these two triangles are exactly the same. And that's no accident. Corresponding angles between